What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry, it's been a while. So, yeah, how's it going today, guys? It has been a good day for me, but a bad day because it's freaking raining. Hold on, let me show you now. Look at it's all wet. See? Oh my gosh. I was getting around on a bike today, but I guess I can't. So, yeah, I'm not too much. Oh, hold on. Okay. Okay, so update news. Let's see. My friend RJ, the gamer, or RJ, he might quit YouTube. So, and I made a video on that already. And then I'm getting my T-Dap, which I'm really scared for middle school, because I'm going to middle school soon. And then, yeah, and then, let's see. So I try to put music on. Hold on. No. Hold on. Okay. Alright, guys. Brand new video coming soon. Okay. Now I'm making a video with one of my friends today. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I was playing Fortnite, and guess what? I was playing Fortnite, then some stupid ass kid. Sorry for my language. So I can't. He was like making he was like pretending like I was trash at Fortnite, but I killed him, bro. I killed him. So he said I was trash, but look at you. So yeah, I'm trying to do a live stream, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do a live stream so I could chill and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So tomorrow I have no school because it's President's Day. So yeah, how's days been, guys? Mine pretty good. I'm going to Bible study. Oops, I'm going to my friend's house, so we gotta record a video.
You on your phone?
Huh?
You on your phone?
No, I'm on tablet.
Yeah, because I can hear you talking. You talking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was just curious.
So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Leave a like, subscribe, and cool videos coming soon. Okay. Bye.